A civil authority has issued a civil danger watch for the following counties or areas: Donan, Madero, NM, El Paso, Hotspur, Texas, at 12:34 am on May 20th, 2023, effective until 1:34 p.m. At approximately 12:32 p.m., a truck potentially carrying hazardous materials had crashed on Interstate 10 near the city of El Paso, Texas. It is unknown if the materials will spread, but we ask all residents in warned areas to shelter in place for your safety. A follow-up warning will be issued if updates follow. Stay tuned to news or media for updates.